it is in. Alright, this packaging is pretty minimal. There's actually like no bubble wrap in there at all. I thought there'd be a little bit more protective stuff in here, but literally use this. Okay, instructions and hardware. Instructions and hardware here. It's pretty much all that comes with it, but let's pull this stuff off and see how the lip looks, the finish and everything, the quality. Got the little Mugen emblem right there. So this is the lip just mocked up on the car. The fitment is literally perfect. It's just mocked up right there. There's no, like, we haven't mounted it at all or anything. It just is currently laid over the stock lip and it fits perfectly already. But now we're actually gonna, actually install it properly. It came already paint matched, of course, because that's the way I ordered it, but this is a preview of how it's gonna look. So apparently all you need to do is unscrew this and then drill a fastener into here for this second piece or second hole, and then mount it with taking off the clips from under as well, reusing those clips here, and then just 3M it and you should be good. This is the clip that you need to take out. We just pulled it off using the screwdriver, the flathead. Here. Who, Matt? Yeah. He's intense, right? That bracket's in. So you'll just be reusing the screw from the OEM lip here, and then you'll use the supplied screw from the Mugen kit for the hole that you drilled into with the fastener. Lastly, once you're happy with everything, I guess you just take off all the tape, give it a little push. Oh yeah, so satisfying. Yes, sir. These guys are already off, so.
What do you think? You happy?
I'm happy, bro. It looks way better.
I like it.
It really completes the OEM Plus look, I think.
OEM Plus.
And that is the Mugen Type R lip installed. Big thanks to Matt and Position Advance USA, as well as King Motorsports, where I got this lip. They were very good with their customer service, so I was happy to support them. The Mugen lip is a really good piece, very easy install, comes with everything you need. It can really be done in like 10-15 minutes super easily. That's it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed and want to follow along with the build, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.